Hello everyone,
Hi friends!
my name is Ali.
And my name is Aina.
Welcome back to our channel, Learn English Daily World.
Today we are here with another simple English conversation.
So let's begin.
Ali, where are you going today?
I'm going to the park with my cousin.
Oh, nice. Do you go there every day?
Not every day, but I go there on weekends.
What do you do in the park?
I walk, exercise, and sometimes eat snacks.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is very relaxing.
I also like visiting parks in the evening
Why do you like the evening time?
because the weather becomes cool and fresh.
That is true.
Did you complete your work today?
Yes, I finished my work in the morning.
Very good.
What about you? What did you do today?
I cleaned my room and helped my mother in the kitchen.
Wow, you are very helpful.
Thank you. My mother becomes happy when I help her.
That is a good habit.
Do you help your family at home?
Yes, sometimes I help my younger brother with homework.
That's nice of you.
Thank you.
What is your favourite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing football.
Really? Mine is reading books.
What kind of books do you like?
I like motivational and story books.
Books can teach us many things.
Exactly. Reading also improves vocabulary.
You are right.
Do you wake up early in the morning?
Yes, I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Wow, that is early.
Early morning is peaceful and productive.
I want to wake up early too.
You should try sleeping early at night.
Good advice.
Thank you.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread with tea.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I like paratha and milk tea.
Nice choice.
Do you like travelling?
Yes, I love traveling very much.
Which place do you want to visit?
I want to visit Turkey one day.
Wow, Turkey is very beautiful.
Yes, especially Istanbul.
I want to visit the mountains in the north.
Nature places are always peaceful.
Absolutely.
What do you do when you feel bored?
I listen to music or watch videos.
Same here. Music makes me feel relaxed.
Do you use social media a lot?
Not too much. I try to use it less.
That is a good thing.
Too much phone use wastes time.
Yes, we should focus on learning useful things.
Exactly.
What advice do you want to give our viewers today?
Practice English every single day. Even small practice helps a lot.
Practice. Never feel shy while speaking English.
Confidence is the key to success.
Very true.
Thank you everyone for watching our video.
We hope you learnt something new today.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, Learn English Daily World.
See you again in the next video.
Take care and keep practicing English. Bye everyone.